Good morning to all of you. Mika's here painting 50 horses, and this time it's time for Gypsy Cob. And I'm also trying out a new material that I'm not used to, and it's watercolor pencils from Caran dàche. I had a hard time. This is not sponsored by Caran dàche. This is me buying pencils because I'm curious. And I must say it was hard for me to find the technique. I don't really know how to use these pencils, as you can see. This is also a collaboration with a girl named Ada, Norwegian. She's also known as I'm the Queen on Instagram. Check her out because her pictures of horses are amazing. So as you can see, I'm struggling with the colors. I would say that almost directly I started to go away from the pencils and use my regular watercolors because you guys, I don't really know how to use them. What are they pencils, or are you just putting down watercolor on the paper and then dragging it out with a water brush? I don't know. I have to Google this, and perhaps I find some interesting movie here on YouTube where I can get some tips. I must say that I like the colors a lot. It was kind of there are lots of pigment in them. So that was great, although some of them were not enough pigment for my taste, or rather I expected something else. Well, I like Gypsy Cobs. I've never had the pleasure of knowing one, but they are truly beautiful, magnificent creatures with all this hair around the hooves and so on. So this is the result, and some bits and parts of this I like, and some I don't. Like this blue bleeding sort of color, that looks great, and it was an accident. Don't be afraid of your accidents. That's where the magic begins. So I hope you're having a lovely, wonderful day out there, and that spring is coming to you too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.